What's tea? It's your girl Latini Sade, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you all about this hair that was provided to me by Beauty Exchange. Okay, so if you want to know how I got this color, this install, and the details on this hair, stay tuned. Okay, this hair was provided to me by Beauty Exchange. If you don't know what Beauty Exchange is the #1 hair store, literally the bombest hair store you could possibly go to. Okay, they have hair stores all around Florida and I believe in Georgia. So if you in Florida and you want to know where Beauty Exchange at, go on beautyexchange.com, type in your zip code, and I'm telling you, they got one in your city or near your city. You will never go wrong with Beauty Exchange. From hair to product, they got it all. Okay, so now I'm going to get out the details on this hair. We're going to put the iPhone on the screen. Beauty Exchange provided me with a 613 closure from a company called B&B Express. It is 14 inches. It can be dyed, perm, and bleached. And just off looking at it, you can tell the quality is great, honey. And it's not that trash 613 hair. This is some bomb 613 hair. Okay? Looking at the closure, you can see just by the luster of the hair, bomb, honey. It's bomb. The lace is not hard, it's not rough, it's very thin, and the knots are not thick like most 613 hair, honey. Beauty Exchange took me up, okay? Period. Luster, the feel, the way the knots look and the lace look, this is some good 613 hair, honey. This is how the bundles came packaged. I have a 16, 18, 20, and these are also from the same company, B&B Express. It can be dyed, permanent, bleached. It says the same thing as a closure, and you can tell it's a great quality. Now, just off taking them out the package, you can see that nice shine, that nice luster. You can tell this is some great quality 613 hair. Period. Okay, to achieve this hair color, I went ahead and I put some hot water in a container. I added a few drops of purple shampoo, and then I went ahead and dipped my 613 hair. I decided to do that because I didn't want the yellow tone to mix with the green and give me a whole nother kind of color. So I did that so that I can get a very ash blonde. Once I finished doing that, I added some more hot water to my container. Then I went ahead and added a few drops of sweet mint, and I dipped my hair. Now, once you see me installing this hair, you're going to see that my hair was very pigmented and it went into a faded mint green. The way that I achieved that is I put more color inside of the container when I decided to dip my closure in the very short bundle, because I wanted those to have the most pigment. Once I got to the longer length, the last two bundles, I decided to dip it slightly to where it's not so pigmented, but it's just a little bit of a hint of a mint green, because at that point I wanted it to go from a very pigmented look to a slight mint green at the bottom. So that is what I did to achieve the color. Now, how I got these roots to be dark, honey, I decided to use Kiss Temptations Forest Green. I believe that's the color that I used. And I went ahead and brushed the closure, you know, and slightly dusted on the roots. I didn't do too much. It's not too crazy. As you can see, iPhone on the screen again. I decided to brush all of the hair back, and I went in and I parted out the very front of the closure. I did not want to touch that yet, so I'm working with the section I'm on. And I decided to just pluck lightly, you know, ain't really have to do too much because this closure, the knots were not big, so it wasn't nothing that I had to really try to rip out. It was a perfect closure, literally, like knots perfect, literally. So I went ahead and I plucked. Once I finished plucking that section, I brushed the front over, and I decided to lightly pluck the front just so it wouldn't be like a straight line for my hairline. Now that I got that out of the way, now we're gonna get into this install. Okay, I went ahead and did my ball cap method to put my makeup on my lace already off camera. Right now I'm just adjusting my wig, making sure it's sitting where I want it to sit before I go ahead and apply my glue. Now, lace glue you can definitely find at Beauty Exchange. They have a very high variety. And me personally, when I'm doing my lace glue, I like to apply my layers back to back. I don't wait for one to dry. I like to apply them back to back so that they can like mesh together and become extremely sticky. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now, applying layer after layer, not waiting for the other to become clear. Okay, I think I did about 3 to 4 layers. Now, once the layers are done and they're dry, I'm going to go ahead and put my lace down. Now, when I'm putting my lace down, one thing that I like to do is stretch it. I don't like for it to just be like set there. I stretch my lace. So you're going to see me pull like that. I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to comb it into place like that. I like to stretch it so I don't have no ripples in my hair. Okay. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. I go in with my finger and I press down just so I can make sure that the glue is like seeping through. Once I do that, I will take a razor comb, I'll cut a little piece, and I cut off all the excess lace. Anything that is not glued down is getting cut. I'm not going back in. I'm not going to try to re-glue anything down. I'm just going to completely cut it because it's not needed. Any places that stick up from the glue, just press it back in so it's going to stick. Okay, did it to one side. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, now that I'm done and I got my lace laying down, I'm going to go ahead and make sure it's laying how I need it to lay, comb it out. Make sure everything is set how I want to. And again, if any lace is sticking up, just go ahead and press it in. It's going to stick. Trust me. Combing my hair to make sure everything is laying how I want it to lay. Like this. At this point, I'm just checking to make sure everything is flowing how I want it to flow before I move any further. If there's anything that I need to tweak or change. Now I'm going to go into my baby hairs. And I just do a little swoop here, swoop there. I like to make sure I swoop the very ends of the closures just so they can fall into the hair and make it look like a frontal illusion. So that's what you're going to see. You see me do that swoop, then you're going to see me pull some hair out at the very end and swoop it into the hairs just so I can have that illusion like I have a frontal on once the hair falls completely over, like so. And I'm just going to keep messing with my baby hairs to my liking. Okay, now I'm just again checking the hair and making sure everything is falling how I want it to fall. I go back in and I cut hair because you're always going to have to go back in and fix your work once something's on your head. The mannequin in your head is two different things, so you always going to have to go back in and refresh it, okay? I'm just making sure everything fits. Now, I liked this look, but I just felt like I wanted something different. So, you know, after tweaking it, after cutting the layers in the front so it could give me that wrapped effect, I decided to go ahead and chop it. And when I chopped this, I had felt like a newbie, okay? It gave me something else and I was feeling her. Yup, like that. That gave me everything. Summer ready, period, okay? Yup, like that. Okay, after you guys seen the install and y'all seen me chop this hair, this is what I am left with, and I am feeling it, honey. I am feeling her. I'm feeling her, okay? I am feeling the girl, honey. This is giving me very much spring, summer, statement piece, period. Everything that you see me use to achieve this color, to this install, you can definitely find at Beauty Exchange, honey. Everything you can find at Beauty Exchange. All the products that I decided to use, I will list down below so that you guys can know if you decide to want to go get them. And yes, girl, this piece is hitting. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment, like, and subscribe. Your girl is back. And again, thank you to Beauty Exchange for providing this hair, honey, and all the products that I use. Again, all the products that I use, from the mannequin heads to the mannequin stands to the hair to the colors to the products to make this look be what it is. You can find all of these products at Beauty Exchange.